Mastering the art of organizing comparison and contrast. Hello, avid learners. Today, we'll dive deep into one of the most common types of academic essays, the compare and contrast essay. And more specifically, we're going to explore how to effectively organize the comparison and contrast within the body of your essay. So, buckle up and get ready to become an expert. In any essay, organization is key. But in a compare and contrast essay, it's the backbone. A well-organized essay ensures that your reader can easily follow your arguments, points of comparison, and the conclusions you're drawing from those comparisons. An organized essay is a compelling essay. When you're comparing and contrasting, there are two main methods of organization. 1. Block method. Here, you'll discuss all the points about one subject and then move to the next subject. This method is straightforward and easy to follow. 2. Point-by-point method. In this method, you'll discuss a particular point of comparison or contrast related to both subjects, one after the other. This keeps all related ideas together and might be more engaging for your reader. Let's break down the block method. 1. Introduce the subjects you're comparing and contrasting. 2. Discuss everything about the first subject. Dive deep into its features, characteristics, and everything you want to highlight. 3. Shift to the second subject. Again, discuss its features and characteristics, mirroring the aspects you've highlighted in the first subject. 4. Draw comparisons and contrasts. Show the reader where the subjects are similar and where they differ based on the features you've presented. Diving into the point-by-point method. 1. Introduce both subjects you'll be comparing. 2. Discuss a specific point of comparison or contrast for both subjects. For example, if you're comparing two books, start by discussing a theme present in both. 3. Move to the next point and again, discuss it in relation to both subjects. 4. Continue this pattern until you've discussed all points. 5. Summarize the comparisons and contrasts at the end of each section or in a separate conclusion. 1. Always use transitions. Words like similarly, on the other hand, in contrast, and likewise, guide your reader through the flow of your essay. 2. Stay consistent. Once you've chosen an organizational method, stick to it throughout your essay. 3. Revise and review. Always go back and read your essay. Ensure that it flows well and that the organization is clear. And that's a wrap on organizing your comparison and contrast in essays. Remember, a well-structured essay is easier to follow and more compelling to read. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you feel more confident in your writing. Until next time, happy writing!